Today, the topic is exercise 5.7 of class 12. Let's begin. This deals with the second order derivative. Now, the first question says that y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. What we will do is normal differentiation as we have been doing. So, the derivative of x square comes out to be 2x. Derivative of 3x is written here 3 and derivative of 2 is 0. So no need to write it. What answer you get is dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. Now for the second order derivative, you will be again differentiating. Again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y upon dx square, which means second order derivative. This you are doing the derivative again. So this symbol d square y upon dx square is equal to d by dx, the whole statement as it is 2x plus 3. Now, when we will again differentiate, you will get d square y upon dx square is equal to, what is the derivative of 2x? It is 2 and the derivative of 3 is 0. So you can just ignore it and your answer comes out to be d square y upon dx square is equal to 2. Very simple question. First one. Now, the second question states that y is equal to x power 20. Differentiating with respect to x, what is the derivative of x power 20? You will do x power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So the power which is 20, it will come in the beginning. You will write dy by dx is equal to 20 into x power 19. 20 minus 1 will come 19. So dy by dx is 20, x power 19. Now again derivative with respect to x, you will get d square y upon dx square is equal to the derivative of 20 into x power 19. So this 20 is being multiplied, it can be written out. You will write 20 into d by dx x power 19. So what is the derivative of x power 19? 20 will come as it is, 19 will come in the beginning. This will be of the format x power n x power n minus 1. So 19 comes in the beginning, the power, and here this you pick it and this you write it here, and it will be 19 minus 1 in the power. So what you will get 20 multiplied by 19 into x power 18, which is actually 20 into 19 is 380 x power 18. So this is the answer to the question number 2. Again a very simple one. Now the question number 3, what does this say? It is y is equal to x into cos x. So differentiate with respect to x, you will write dy by dx is equal to d by dx x cos x. What you will do here, uv formula will be put into use. So it will be the first function x as it is multiplied by the derivative of second function which is d by dx cos x plus cos x, which is the second function as it is multiplied by d by dx, the derivative of the first function which is x. Now this x will come here as it is. What is the derivative of cos x? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. You will write it here. Now this cos x will be copied as it is. The derivative of x is 1. So what answer you will get is x into minus sin x will be minus x into sin x, right, plus cos x. So this you have calculated dy by dx, but the question requires d square y upon dx square. So we will be derivating this entire function again. In continuity, again differentiate with respect to x, you will get d square y upon dx square is equal to d by dx. The answer what you calculated dy by dx, as it is you will copy the whole lot. So this will give you d by dx minus x sin x plus cos x. So you will do this minus is coming here. You will write d by dx x sin x plus d by dx cos x. See here you will not be using the uv formula because this plus is coming in the middle. So you will be doing the differentiation of two functions and then you will be putting the plus sign. So be very careful. Okay, so you get d minus d by dx x sin x plus d by dx cos x. Now here you will apply the uv formula. See, here is the multiplication. Here is the x into sin x. derivative of x sine x. So what you will do, minus comes in the beginning. First function x as it is multiplied by the derivative of second function which is sine of x. Okay, plus second function x sine x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function which is x, plus d by dx cos x will be copied as it is. Right, now you get minus here as it is x multiplied by what is the derivative of sine x? It is cos x, you write it here, plus sine x. Derivative of x is 1 which is written here. Bracket closes, plus what is the derivative of cos x? Answer is minus sine x. Now what you do is, please open the bracket. You will get minus x cos x. This minus is multiplied by the entire bracket. You will get minus x cos x minus sine x, plus minus sine x will again be minus sine x. So one more step is left. What you can write is d square upon dx square is equal to minus x cos x minus 2 sine x. This is the answer to the question number 3, which was again a very simple one. Now the fourth question, that's very small question. Let y is equal to log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Very simple. You will write dy by dx. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 upon x. So you get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x. Now again differentiate with respect to x. This you will get d square y upon dx square is equal to d by dx 1 upon x. Now this 1 upon x can be written as d by dx x power minus 1. Now which rule you will use? X power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So this minus 1 will come in the beginning and this will be x power minus 1 minus 1. So it is minus 1 into x power minus 2, which can be rewritten as minus 1 upon x square, which is the answer to the question number 4. Clear? Moving forward, question number 5. See, y is equal to x cube log of x. Very simple. What you will do is here, since the functions are multiplied, you will be using UV formula. Differentiating with respect to x, you will write dy by dx is equal to d by dx x cube log of x. UV formula states the first function x cube as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function which is d by dx log x, plus log x which is the second function as it is multiplied by d by dx of first function which is x cube. So this x cube copied here as it is. What is the derivative of log of x? Log of x derivative is 1 upon x, which you have written it here, plus log of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of x power 3, which is 3x square, which you write it here. Now if you see carefully, this is x cube into 1 upon x. This can be rewritten as x square plus log of x into 3x square. Right, now here also x square, here also x square. Please take x square common. You will be left with bracket starts 1 plus 3 log of x. So what you calculated here was dy by dx, which is the first step. Now the second step states that again differentiate with respect to x. You will get d square y upon dx square is equal to d by dx. Write down the whole function as it is. X square bracket starts 1 plus 3 log of x. Next slide. Now you will be here using UV formula. See, the first function x square as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function which is d by dx 1 plus 3 log of x, plus second function 1 plus 3 log x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function d by dx x square. Okay, now this x square will come here like this. Right, now when you will calculate the derivative of 1, derivative of 1 is 0, which you write here. Derivative of 3 log of x is 3 upon x. See, this 3 will come as it is. Log x derivative is 1 upon x, so you get 3 upon x, plus 1 plus 3 log x as it is. What is the derivative of x square? It is 2x. Done, this much clear. Now moving to the next step, kindly open the bracket. You will get x square into 3 upon x, plus get this 2x in the beginning. You will get 2x 1 plus 3 log of x. Now this x square and x will get cancelled. You will get 3x plus 2x 1 plus 3 log of x. Again what you have to do is open the bracket. You will get 3x plus 2x. 2x multiplied by 1 is 2x and 2x multiplied by 3 log x. So what you did basically is this 2x is multiplied by 1 and you are getting 2x, and then again this 2x is being multiplied by 3 log of x and then you are getting 6x log of x. Okay, now what you have is 3x plus 2x will give you 5x. Answer is 5x plus 6 log of x. Now take x common. You are left with x bracket starts 5 plus 6 log of x. So this is the answer to the question number 5. Clear? Next question is question number 6. Now what does this say? The question says y is equal to e power x sine 5x. Right? Now differentiate with respect to x. What you will get? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx e power x sine of 5x, right? Now you will be using the UV formula here, which states that the first function e power x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function, so d by dx sine of 5x, plus the second function sine of 5x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is d by dx e power x. Now what you will get is e power x as it is. What is the derivative of sine 5x? Answer is cos 5x multiplied by 5. So I say that please don't forget this 5. Basically, derivative of sine of 5x is cos of 5x multiplied by the derivative of 5x. What is in the middle here? You will be calculating this portion derivative again. So that is why I have written here 5. So the derivative of sine 5x is cos 5x multiplied by 5. Okay, plus sine 5x as it is. What is the derivative of e power x? Derivative of e power x is e power x as it is, right? So if you see, you can take e power x common. So you will get e power x bracket starts 5 cos 5x plus sine 5x, right? So this is dy by dx. Now we will calculate second order derivative. Now we move to the next question. Question number 7, right? Now what does the question say? Y is equal to e power x cos 3x, e power 6x cos 3x, right? Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d upon dx e power 6x cos 3x. So now e power 6x is considered one function and cos of 3x is considered one function. You will be applying UV formula. Derivative of UV formula, it will be u first function as it is e power 6x as it is multiplied by d by dx cos of 3x plus cos of 3x, which is the second function as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is e power 6x. So e power 6x now as it is. What is the derivative of cos 3x? It will be minus sine 3x multiplied by 3. I repeat, please don't forget 3 because derivative of cos 3x is minus sine 3x, but you have to calculate the derivative of 3x again, which will be 3, right? Now cos 3x as it is, this cos 3x as it is multiplied by the derivative of e power 6x, which will be e power 6x as it is multiplied by 6, which will be the derivative of 6x, right? So now from this term you can take e power 6x common. You will get the answer minus 3 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x. This you got dy by dx. Moving further, again differentiate with respect to x. We want to find d square y upon dx square. Okay, so it will be the derivative of e power 6x bracket starts minus 3 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x. Now I repeat that, see, you will be applying UV formula, which will be stating that e power 6x is u, one function, and this whole whatever is in the bracket here minus 3 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x, this will be v, the second function. Okay, now what generally the student does mistake is they take this UV function. This is not UV function because there is a plus in the middle. Okay, so e power 6x is one function and minus 3 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x is the second function. So how will you find the derivative? e power 6x, which is the first function as it is, multiplied by the derivative of second function, which is minus 3 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x, okay, plus the first function, sorry, the second function as it is, minus 3 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is e power 6x. Okay, so what you will get? You will get e power 6x multiplied by minus 3 as it is. What is the derivative of sine 3x? Sine 3x derivative is cos 3x multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, what is the derivative of plus 6 cos 3x? It will be minus 6 sine 3x multiplied by 3, because you are having here 3x, so 3x derivative is 3. You will write here word 3 again, okay, and this will go with a negative sign. Now this plus 3 sine 3x plus 6 cos 3x, it will be carried here like this, multiplied by the derivative of e power 6x, which will be e power 6x as it is multiplied by 6. Okay, now as you can see in this term, you can take e power 6x as common. So what will be left? This minus 3 will be multiplied by this 3. You will get minus 9 cos 3x. Okay. 6 will be multiplied by 3. This minus sign as it is, you will get minus 18 sine 3x plus minus 3 sine 3x as it is, 6 cos 3x as it is, multiplied by e power 6x into 6. Okay. Now what you will do is, this can be written as e power 6x bracket starts minus 9 cos 3x minus 18 sine 3x plus minus 18 sine 3x plus 36 cos 3x multiplied by e power 6x. Now from both these terms, now you take e power 6x as common, you will be left with minus 9 cos 3x minus 18 sine 3x minus 18 sine 3x plus 36 cos 3x. Now please solve cos 3x terms together. So this is, I have underlined them, minus 9 cos 3x and 36 cos 3x. This will give you 27 cos 3x. Okay, and sine 3x terms will be added up together. This is minus 18 minus 18. This will give you minus 36 sine 3x. Okay, now you take 9 common. So you will have 9 e power 6x bracket starts. You will be left with 3 cos 3x minus 4 sine 3x. Okay, this is the answer to the question number 7. Very simple one. Let's move forward. Question number 8. Y is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to d by dx tan inverse x. Now what is the derivative of tan inverse x? It is actually 1 upon derivative of this tan inverse x will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. So you get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Right? Now again derivative with respect to x, you will get d square y upon dx square is equal to the derivative of 1 plus 1 upon x square. This can be written as derivative of 1 plus x square power minus 1. When you will take it in the numerator, it will give you minus 1 in the power. Now apply that formula, x power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So this minus 1 will come in the beginning. You will write minus 1 bracket starts 1 plus x square power minus 1 minus 1. This into derivative of 1 plus x square. You know that whatever is in the bracket, you have to take the derivative of that thing again, right? So you will get minus 1, 1 plus x square whole power minus 2. Now what will be the derivative of 1 plus x square? See, derivative of 1 will be 0. You written it here. And what is the derivative of x square? It is 2x. Okay. So now what you will get the answer? Answer will be minus 1 upon 1 plus x square multiplied by 2x. So this can be written as, with the minus sign, you will write here is supposed to come here 1 minus, and you will write 2x upon 1 plus x square. So the answer to question number 8 is minus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Let's move to question number 9. Now what does this question say? Y is equal to log of x. Okay. So derivative with respect to x, you will write dy by dx is equal to dy dx log of x, right? Now what is the derivative of log of x? You will write with this log, it will be 1 upon log of x multiplied by the derivative of log of x. When we treat such type of questions, how you have to see is, you just consider this thing. If the question was log of x, you will write 1 upon x, right? Now the question is log of x. So you will write 1 upon log of x multiplied by the derivative of log of x. So this will come out to be 1 upon log of x multiplied by what will be the derivative of simple log of x here? This will give you 1 upon x. So your answer comes out to be 1 upon log x multiplied by 1 upon x, which will give you 1 upon x log of x. Now we have to calculate again differentiating with respect to x. We got dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x log x. So now we want d square y upon dx square is equal to derivative of 1 upon x log x. Right? Now you can write it derivative of x log x power minus 1. Just take it to the numerator and the power will get minus 1. Okay. Now you will be using x power n formula. It will be n x n minus 1. So the power minus 1, it will come in the beginning and you will get minus 1 x log of x power minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of whatever is in the bracket. You will find the derivative separately. You will get d by dx x log x. Okay, so this will get transformed into minus 1 x log x power minus 2. Now here you will be applying the UV formula x log x, right? The first function x as it is multiplied by the derivative of log of x, which is the second function, plus second function log of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is x. So what you will get is minus 1. Now here it was power minus 2. Please take it in the denominator. The power will become positive. You will get minus 1 upon x log x whole power 2. Right? Now here you will get x as it is. What is the derivative of log of x? Derivative of log of x is supposed to be 1 upon x. So this log x derivative will give you 1 upon x plus log of x as it is. Derivative of x will be 1. So what statement you get now? Minus 1 upon x log x whole square, bracket begins 1, because this x will get cancelled by this x. You will get 1 plus log of x. Okay. So now you please combine these two terms. You will get minus 1 plus log x whole upon x log x power 2. Okay. So very simple. This is the answer to question number 9. Let's move forward. Question number 10. What does this say? Y is equal to sine of log of x. So you will find dy by dx, which will be dy by dx sine of log of x. Now, here I would like to mention that please don't take UV formula. Okay, this is one function. It is sine of log of x. If it was sine x log x, then it would be a different treatment. Here it is just one function. Please don't take UV formula, and you should be clear enough that why I am saying this thing. Okay, so the derivative of sine of log of x. What is the derivative of sine x? Derivative of sine x is actually cos x. So here now you have derivative of sine of log x. You will get cos of log x as the answer, multiplied by the derivative of log of x. Whatever is in the bracket, you have to take the derivative separately. So you will get cos of log of x multiplied by what is the derivative of log x? You will write 1 upon x here. Right? Now you combine both these terms. What answer you will get? You will get cos of log x upon x. So this is dy by dx. Moving further now, again differentiate with respect to x, right? So what you will do is d square y upon dx square will be derivative of cos of log x upon x. Okay, ji? Now here, first of all, so you will be using u upon v formula. The denominator will be x square. Okay. Now in the numerator, first of all, you will write what u upon v formula. This denominator as it is multiplied by the derivative of the numerator. So derivative of cos of log of x. Okay. Minus the numerator as it is cos of log of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, which is d by dx x. Right. Now what you will do is x as it is. What is the derivative of cos of log of x? Derivative of cos of log of x will give you minus sine log of x multiplied by the derivative of log of x, because you have to calculate the derivative of log of x separately. Minus bracket starts cos log of x as it is. Derivative of x is considered to be 1. So you here derivative of x will be 1 outright here. Right? Now what you will do further is x as it is minus sine log of x into, you substitute the value of log of x, it will be 1 upon x. You've written here 1 upon x minus cos of log of x. Right? Now what you will do is this x, I'm so sorry, it is taking time. This x will get cancelled with this x. Okay, so you are left with minus sine log of x minus cos of log of x upon x square. right? So now this is also minus, this is also minus. Take minus in the beginning, common minus you will take, big bracket you will put, you will write sine log of x plus cos of log of x upon x square. Okay, so this is the answer to question number 10. Moving further, you have question number 11. What is given is y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. You have to prove that d square y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0. Right? Now, when you see this, that you have to prove this, you understand that this is the second order derivative question. For that, let us find the first order derivative and the second order derivative, and then automatically somehow you will get this statement. Okay. Now, the first step in this question will be calculation of dy by dx, which will give you derivative of 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Now, what is the derivative of 5 cos x? Here, answer will be minus sin x. Clear? Now, the derivative of 3 sin x will be 3 cos x. Okay. So, you get that dy by dx is equal to minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Again, derivative with respect to x, calculate d square y upon dx square is equal to derivative of minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. So, very simple. This you can divide it. Derivative, it will be derivative of minus 5 sin x minus derivative of 3 cos x. Now, what is the derivative of minus 5 sin x? Answer is minus 5 cos x. Okay. And the derivative of 3 cos x will be minus 3 sin x. Okay. Now, this minus will come here as it is, but this minus is to this answer. Derivative of 3 cos x is minus 3 sin x. Okay. Now, you simplify, minus minus will go to plus. So, your answer will be minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. Okay, done. Now, you please take minus common and you will get 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Okay, so this you see 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Why did you take this minus common? Because we had to put the value of y. If you look carefully what was given to you, y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Just to get it in the format of y, I took this minus common. So you have minus 5x minus 3 sin x, which is actually y. So you get it is equal to minus y. Okay. Now, d square y upon dx square is equal to minus y. Now, please take minus towards the left hand side. You will get d square y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0, which was actually asked to be proved. Right? So, I say that whenever you get such type of questions in which you have to prove and you see d square y upon dx square, so you be very cool and patient. And you first calculate the first order derivative and then you calculate the second order derivative and then look at the question carefully. You will definitely come to the conclusion of the answer. Okay, so this we did question number 11. Now, we move to question number 12. Let's see. Now, the question says that y is equal to cos inverse x. And you are asked to find d square y upon dx square in terms of y alone. Right? So whatever is your answer is, in that answer, you should not have any term of x. You can have just the terms of y. Right? So what you will do is, you have y is equal to cos inverse x. First of all, you take this towards the other side. Answer will be x is equal to cos of y. Now differentiate with respect to x. You will get dx upon dy. Be very careful. You will get dx upon dy is equal to. Now what is the derivative of cos y? Derivative of cos y is minus sin y. Okay, now what you will do is, here you will reciprocate. Why you will reciprocate? Because we have dx upon dy, but we want dy upon dx. So this whole equation will be reciprocated. So you will get dy by dx is equal to, what is the reciprocal of minus sin y? Answer will be minus cosec y. So dy by dx is equal to minus cosec y. Again, because we want the second order derivative, differentiate with respect to x, you will get d square y upon dx square is equal to d by dx minus cosec y. Right? So this minus will come in the beginning as it is. What is the derivative of cosec y? It is minus cosec y into cot y multiplied by dy by dx. So please don't forget to write dy by dx out here again. So you will get this minus minus will turn to positive. You will get cosec y into cot y minus cosec y. Why? How do you put it? What you have to do is, you have to pick up the value of dy by dx from here. And you will substitute that value here. What is the value of dy by dx is equal to minus cosec y. So I substituted the same value here, right? So I will get this minus will turn to positive. I will get cosec y cot y into minus cosec y. So if I solve this whole line, I will get minus cot y multiplied by cosec square y. This is the answer to question number 12, in which they wanted you to find d square y upon dx square in terms of y. And if you see this equation, this whole term is in the terms of y. There is no x here. So this is the solution to question number 12. Now, the question says that y, which is given equal to 3 cos of log of x plus 4 sine log of x. What you have to show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. Now in this term, when we are saying y2, this is actually the second order derivative of y, which is equal to d square y upon dx square. And when we are saying y1, this means dy upon dx. So I repeat, dy upon dx is equal to y1 and d square y upon dx square is basically y2. So this what you have to prove it. So there is no need to worry. First you calculate the first order derivative, then you calculate the second order derivative. So now differentiate with respect to x this whole term to calculate dy by dx, which is actually also called y1 here. Dy by dx will be equal to the derivative of this whole term, which will give you 3 cos log of x. What will be the derivative of this term? 3 cos log of x. This will give you minus 3 sine log of x multiplied by the derivative of log x. Okay. Plus 4 sine log of x, derivative will be 4 cos log of x multiplied by the derivative of log x. Okay. So if you now further simplify it, you will get minus 3 sine log of x into derivative of log of x will be 1 upon x plus 4 cos log of x into derivative of log of x will be 1 upon x. So you get dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sine log x into 1 upon x plus 4 cos log x into 1 upon x. Okay. Now this what you got is y. This is actually y. So y is equal to dy by dx is equal to, please take common denominator x, you will get 4 cos log of x minus 3 sine log of x upon x. Now first differentiate with respect to x the second order derivative, which is termed as y2 in this question. So you will get y2, which is equal to d square y upon dx square is equal to, here you will be applying the UV formula, x square, x in the denominator x square v square. Okay, and now in the numerator you will get the denominator x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the numerator, which is d by dx 4 cos log x minus 3 sine log x minus the numerator as it is 4 cos log x minus 3 sine log x multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, which is d by dx into x. This is derivative of x. Okay. Now you see that here you are getting x. This x you can take common. You will be left with, now what is the derivative of 4 cos log of x? There, the derivative of 4 cos log of x will be minus 4 sine log x multiplied by the derivative of log x, which will be 1 upon x. Okay. Now, the derivative of minus 3 sine log of x will be minus 3 cos log of x into derivative of log of x, which will be 1 upon x minus 4 cos log of x minus 3 sine log x as it is, and the derivative of x, which you can ignore. Okay, so now you are getting this term, and in the whole denominator is x square. Moving further, you can also write it in this way, that y2 is equal to minus 4 sine log x minus 3 cos log x minus 4 cos log x plus 3 sine log of x whole upon x square. Right? Now, if you see the terms, you have minus 4 sine log x, here is the term minus 4, and here is plus 3 sine log of x. So your answer will be minus sine log of x if you will calculate it. Okay, and here is minus 3 cos of log of x, and here it is minus 4 cos of log of x, and your answer will be minus 7 cos of log of x. So y2, what term? This is d square y upon dx square, second order derivative, you get minus sine log of x minus 7 cos log of x whole upon x square. So what we did was we calculated y1, which is dy by dx, and also we calculated y2, which is d square y upon dx square. Now, if what you have to prove is left hand side, you are given x square by 2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. Very simply, you just put in, substitute all the values. This x square as it is multiplied by y2. What value you got? Pick it up from here. You will write minus sine log of x minus 7 cos log of x whole upon x square. Okay, plus this x as it is. What did you calculate the value of dy by dx? This y1 ki jagah you will put the whole value. You will write 4 cos log of x minus 3 sine log x upon x. Okay, plus y. The value of y which is given in the question, you will write as it is. You will write minus 3 cos log of x plus 4 sine log of x. Now, simply you will be solving this whole term. See, this x square will get cancelled off with this x square. Right, you will be getting minus sine log of x minus 7 cos log x plus 4 cos log x, because in the similar fashion, like here I told you, this x square gets cancelled with this x square, so this x will get cancelled with this x. Okay, so now what you will be left with, 4 cos log of x minus 3 sine log of x plus 3 cos log x here plus 4 sine log x here. Now, if you will just simply see this, all of this will get cancelled, because see, it is very simple. See, the first of all, let me tell you, sine log x, this is again sine log x minus 3, and then there is plus 4 sine log of x. So this is minus 1, minus 3 and plus 4. So this gets cancelled out. Now let us talk about cos of log of x. This is minus 7, this is plus 4, okay, and then here it is plus 3. So minus 7 plus 4 plus 3, again it will cancel out. So your answer becomes 0. So hence proved. Just as I told you, there is no need to worry in these type of questions. Calmly and coolly first calculate dy by dx, then you calculate d square y upon dx square, and then you will shuffle the items, and obviously your answer will be very easy. Moving on to the next question, question number 14. What does this say? This says that y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx. Now what you have to show, they have written in the question, d square y upon dx square is equal to, there's a long term m plus n dy by dx plus m, and y is equal to 0. Now, as I have been telling you, let us first calculate dy by dx. This is the first order derivative. Dy by dx will be. Now, what is the derivative of a e power mx? What you will get? A e power mx as it is multiplied by the derivative of m of x. Okay, whatever is in the power of e, you have to calculate the derivative separately. Plus, derivative of b e power nx will be b e power nx as it is multiplied by the derivative of n of x. Okay, so now what answer you will get? You will get a e power mx multiplied by m, because the derivative of mx will be m, plus b e power nx multiplied by n, because the derivative of nx will be n. So you get first order derivative dy by dx is equal to a e power mx into m plus b e power nx into n. Clear? Now again calculate the derivative with respect to x. You will get d square y upon dx square is equal to d by dx a e power mx into m plus derivative of b e power nx into n. Right? Very simple. Now what is the derivative of a e power mx into m? You will get, answer will be a m e power mx multiplied by the derivative of mx plus b n e power nx multiplied by the derivative of nx. Very simple. So this will give you a m e power mx into m plus b n e power nx into n. Right? Now you please solve. M into m will give you m square a e power mx plus, similarly n into n will give you n square b e power nx. So this is what you get is second order derivative. Right? Now the whole LHS statement we will copy as it is. What they have given you, d square y upon dx square plus m plus n dy by dx plus m n y. So no need to worry. You calculated the items, you just substitute the values. What is the value of d square y upon dx square? It is m a e power mx plus n square a e power nx. Okay, plus minus m plus n as it is. Now what is the value of dy by dx? A e power mx into m plus b e power nx into n. Right? plus mn as it is. What is the value of y which is given in the question? It is a e power mx plus b e power nx. Okay, done. Now there is simplification. Normal question. What will you do is m square e power a m square a e power mx plus n square a e power nx minus big bracket starts. First multiply m by this term. You will get m square. Because this is m multiplied by m, you will get m square a e power mx plus again multiply m by this term, you will get mn b e power nx plus. Now multiply n by this term, you will get mn a e power mx plus multiply n by this term, you will get n square b e power nx. Okay. Now please open this wala bracket also. You will get mn a e power mx plus mn b e power nx. Very simple. Now this minus is there and you please open this whole bracket. You will get m square a e power mx plus n square a e power nx minus m square a e power mx minus mn b e power nx minus mn a e power mx plus n square b e power nx plus mn a e power mx plus mn b e power nx. Now, if you see carefully, all these terms are supposed to get cancelled out. See, this is with a positive sign and this is the same term with a negative sign. This get cancelled out. Now, this n square, this will get cancelled out with this term. Very easy. And now this mn b power b e power nx will get cancelled with this term. And this mn a e power mx will get cancelled with mn a e power nx. So everything gets cancelled. Your answer comes out to be 0, which is equal to the right hand side, which is proved. So very simple question. Moving to the next question, which is question number 15. What is the question? They say that y is equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. You have to show that d square y upon dx square is equal to 49y. Okay, I repeat, no need to worry. Calculate first order derivative, then you calculate the second order derivative and answer will be right in front of you. So dy by dx will be equal to, what is the derivative of 500 e power 7x? It will be 500 e power 7x as it is multiplied by the derivative of 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x as it is multiplied by the derivative of minus 7x. So what you will get is 500 into e power 7x into 7 because the derivative of this, just a minute, the derivative of this 7x, it will be 7. So simple. Plus 600 e power minus 7x multiplied by the derivative of minus 7x will be minus 7. Okay, so now what you get is dy by dx, which is the first order derivative, is equal to 7 into 500 e power 7x minus 7 into 600 e power minus 7x. Very simple. Now to calculate the second order derivative, we write differentiate with respect to x. Again, you get d square y upon dx square is equal to 7 into 500 e power 7x as it is multiplied by the derivative of 7x. Minus as it is 7 into 600 e power minus 7x as it is multiplied by the derivative of minus 7x. Okay. So now you will get 7 into 500 e power 7x multiplied by, what is the derivative of 7x? Here we have to calculate the derivative 7x. It is 7. Okay, now minus 7 into 600 e power minus 7x multiplied by, what is the derivative of minus 7x? It will be minus 7. Now if you further simplify the question, you will get 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 49 multiplied by 500 e power 7x plus. We get 7 because here is one minus, here is another minus, you will get plus. 7 7s are 49. 49 multiplied by 600 e power minus 7x. Okay, now it's very simple. Please take 49 as common. You will get 49 bracket starts 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. Now, if you see carefully, this is actually the value of y. This whole is what is given the value of y. So you substitute. है ना? You see what is y given in the top of the question. Y is equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. So you can write that d square y upon dx square is equal to 49y. And this you had ultimately to prove. So this is proved. Question number 15 over. Moving to question number 16, what does this say? Question says e power y x plus 1 is equal to 1. You have to prove that d square y upon dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Again, let us calculate the first order derivative. Please take x plus 1 towards that side. You will get e power y is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. Very simple. Differentiate with respect to x. You get left hand side derivative. E power y as it is multiplied by dy by dx is equal to dy by dx derivative of x plus 1 whole power minus 1. Just take it to the numerator. Power will be minus 1. So here apply the formula. This power will come in the beginning. You will write minus 1 x plus 1 whole power minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of x. Okay, so you will get minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 whole power minus 2. Derivative of x is 1, so you can ignore it. So what you get is e power y into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 ka whole square. Now, in this question, what you will do is put the value of e power y, which we have calculated, is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. In this equation, this will come out to be, instead of e power y, you will write this value. Na, e power y, you put this value 1 upon x plus 1. So you will get 1 upon x plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 whole upon x plus 1 whole square, right? Now see, this is here in the denominator. Please take it towards the right hand side of the equation. You will get dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1. So you can cancel out this x plus 1 with the square of this denominator. You will get minus 1 upon x plus 1. So what is this? This is dy by dx, which is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now to calculate the second order derivative, you will again differentiate with respect to x. You will get d square y upon dx square is equal to d by dx. Now what is the derivative of this term? Minus, as it is, derivative of x plus 1 whole power minus 1. So this minus will retain here minus. This power will come in the beginning and you will get x plus 1 whole power minus 2. Right? Now this minus will turn to plus. So d square y upon dx square is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 ka whole square. Okay, done? Now, what is asked you is d square y upon dx square is equal to dy by dx ka whole square. Please take the right hand side of the given statement. You will get dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. Right? How are we doing this question? Please listen again. Write down dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now, squaring both the sides, you will get dy by dx whole square is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So this minus will turn into positive and you will get 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so you get that dy upon dx whole square is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. Okay, and if you look at this carefully, 1 upon x plus 1 whole square is basically dy by dx. So this is how you get the answer. Okay, now the last question is the 17th question. Y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. This is given to you, and then you have to show that x square plus 1 whole square into y2 plus 2x bracket starts x square plus 1 by 1 is equal to 2. So please don't get panic. First of all, we will calculate first order derivative, differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to, this 2 will come in the beginning, tan inverse x as it is, 2 minus 1, power will get subtracted by minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of tan inverse x. Whatever is in the bracket, you have to write again derivative of tan inverse x. So you will get 2 tan inverse x multiplied by 1 upon 1 plus x square. This, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so you get dy by dx is equal to 2 tan inverse x into 1 upon 1 plus x square. Simple. Now, because dy by dx is equal to y, dy by dx is equal to y. So now this y1, actually this is a little problem out here. Dy by dx is considered y1. So this what you calculated here is basically y1. So y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x into 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, please take 1 upon 1 plus x square towards that side. It will become 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. You just did the shuffling. Now, what you got is 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Now, differentiate again with respect to x. You will get 1 plus x square into dy upon dx. dy1 upon dx plus y1 as it is, d by dx 1 plus x square, because here you applied the uv formula, first function as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function plus second function as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function. is equal to 2 d by dx tan inverse x, right? Now, if you look carefully, what is the derivative of this dy y1 upon dx is actually y2. Okay, so what you will get is 1 plus x square into y2 plus y1 into, what is the derivative of 1? Derivative of 1 will be here 0 and the derivative of x square will be 2x. Okay, now which will be equal to 2 into, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? It will be 2 upon 1 plus x square. On solving it further, you will get 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x y1 is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, done. So this is equal to 1 plus x square whole square into y square. How did you do this? You have to take, just a minute, this 1 plus x square, this one you are taking it towards the left hand side. So this will be getting multiplied by this term and also it will get multiplied by this term. So what you will get is 1 plus x square whole square, because this came from the right hand side, into y2 plus 2x 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. Okay, so here you can write 1 plus x square as x square plus 1, which is asked in the question. You will write x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 y1 is equal to 2. So basically I haven't done anything wrong here. This is actually 1 plus x square. It can be easily written as x square plus 1. And here also it is 1 plus x square, which can be easily written as x square plus 1, just to get into the format of the question what they have asked. So you get the answer, which states that x square plus 1 whole square into y2, that is the second order derivative, plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to 2. This is proved. So this is the answer to the question number 17. Here we come to the end of the article. I hope I have made the things very clear to you. You understood the whole exercise. If there are any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section. You are more than welcome for that. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed.